Welcome to the red carpet, Maggie. I've been hearing amazing things about people using Dzine to customize multiple lip sync avatars and animated characters. That sounds exciting. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, with Dzine generating multiple voices and handling the visuals, we can create storytelling videos and much more, each with its own unique style and personality. Let's dive into the tutorial.
This is Dzine, and this is what we'll be using to add lip syncing to our multi characters. And you're going to click on New Project. And then you're going to click on 16 by 9 and click Apply. And for me, I'm going to be using an image that I generated from ChatGPT consistent character. In my previous videos, I discussed how to do so. So I'm just going to click this arrow here. I'm going to select the image that I want and click Open. Like I mentioned before, this image was generated in ChatGPT consistent character. You can create consistent character in Dzine as well, but since I already had the prompt available and it was easier for me to just go ahead and input in ChatGPT, I used that instead to create my image, and that's what I'll be using to add lip sync. So with our image selected here, we're going to go to the left over here and click on lip sync, and we're going to click on pick a face. Since I have my image already over here, I don't have to drop or select an image. I'm just going to click on this over here. Now you'll see select boxes around the face, basically indicating which character you would like to speak first. And you do that by clicking on that character. So I'm going to click on the male character to speak first, and then I'm going to click on her because it's going to be as if he is interviewing her. So I'm going to click next. This is where we get to pick a voice for our characters and add the script. For speaker A, which is the male character who will be speaking first, I'm going to click on pick a voice. So this is where you would select the voice that you want for your avatar characters. If you have a custom audio that you would like to use, you would drag and drop it into this section over here, and you can add your own voice, your own recording. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go back to text to speech, and you can go through them to see which one you like. Since I already reviewed them, I'm going to click on Alex for my male character. At the top over here, I'm going to enter the script that I want for Alex. Now this is a simple script that I just generated from ChatGPT as well. And if you didn't know, ChatGPT can provide you scripts if you're stuck. All I did was mention a short script about two individuals on a red carpet discussing AI consistent character. This is what I'll copy and paste for the prompt for the male voice, and I'll paste it in here. And at the bottom, I'm going to click on generate and play audio. Now we'll want to do the same and add a voice for our female character speaker B. And I'm going to click on pick a voice. And now I'm going to enter her prompt here. And since I already know what voice I want for her, I'm going to select Dakota at the bottom here. And I'm going to click generate and play audio. Now I'm going to drag the woman's voice, speaker B, just to overlap a little bit until speaker A is done speaking. I think that's okay there. And I'm going to play it just to see.
Hey Maggie, I've been thinking, wouldn't it be amazing if we could create multiple AI characters just like ourselves?
That would be awesome. Imagine the possibilities for storytelling, customer support, or even just fun interactions.
Okay, that sounds great. And now I'm going to click confirm. Now, if you wanted to make any last minute edits to adjust the face or speaking voice, you can do so over here before you generate. You're going to notice that I have 216 credits for this video if I generate. I do have the paid version, so just be mindful. If you have the free version, you may have to purchase the subscription plan in order to get credits. After we hit generate, it'll start to generate over here. On the right, you'll notice where it states waiting 20 to 30 minutes, and it literally take about 20 to 30 minutes for your video to be complete. So once your lip sync video is fully done downloading, you will notice over here that it's complete, and you would click this download button to have it saved to your folder, and that's how you can access it. And we're going to play a snippet just to see how it sounds.
Thank you, Maggie. That was an excellent and detailed tutorial. I hope our viewers find it helpful for their next AI.
And you're all set. You just completed your lip sync multi-character video. To create your consistent character or avatar from scratch, You will be clicking on New Project. And then you're going to click on 16 by 9 and hit Apply. Next, you're going to click on Character on the left tab over here. Build your character is what you'll use if you don't have any image for reference. So we're going to click on that just to show you. And you have the quick mode and the training mode. The quick mode is where you just upload just one image and it can generate within seconds. And you have training mode where you upload about 4 images of the consistent character that you want or have already in mind. And that one takes a bit longer, but of course it provides high quality. But for this example, I'm just going to go with quick mode. We're going to click on that. It says start with description or start with one image. We can start with an image, but I'm going based off of us not having anything to start with. So I'm going to click on start with description. And you're going to name your character. And I'm going to name mine Maggie. And this is where you describe your character. In this prompt, you don't have to provide any settings or scene. What you just want to specify is the attribute and the features of your character. The setting and scene can always be done later on. So I'm just going to insert my prompt here. Next, you're going to click on View All Styles over here. You're going to pick whichever one that you would like for your consistent character, what type of style. For me, I usually go with Toon Face for the Pixar cartoon style. So I'm going to click this Toon Face over here. And once I have all that selected, I'm going to click Generate Character over here. And it'll start generating. So this is what it came up with. You can click this magnifying glass to preview it in full. And if you aren't satisfied, you can always click regenerate. I'm just going to go with this one over here and click start building. It's going to let you know that your character is ready. Then you're going to click use in consistent character and you'll see it right over here on the right hand side. And it still gives you the option to select either or character. You can click over here on the image, place on canvas, and it can automatically go there for you to work on. You can always go to ChatGPT and have it provide a script for you or have it provide a description for you. And that's what I did. I knew I wanted her in a floral field, so I went to ChatGPT and asked for a description of her just frolicking or just walking through a floral field, and this is what it came up with. Before we generate, I'm going to click on this aspect ratio section over here, and we're going to select YouTube 16 by 9, especially if you're doing this for YouTube purposes or just want a landscape image overall of your consistent character. 16 by 9 is what you will want to select. And then we're going to hit generate. And within seconds, it just created 2 image options for me to use of her in the garden, as I mentioned in my action and setting. I think I'm going to go with this one over here because there's more action with her reaching towards the floral field. And I'm going to download. You can select which file type or which size you would like to save it in. The higher you go, it's going to require that you use some of your credits. But since I don't need a large file because I'm just showing you an example, I'm just going to save it as is in a JPEG and click download. And now you just created your first consistent character in Dzine.
Thank you, Maggie. That was an excellent and detailed tutorial. I hope our viewers find it helpful for their next AI avatar projects. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel for more content like this.
Just like Eric mentioned, don't forget to subscribe to the Maggie Insights channel, give this video a like, and stay tuned. Until next time, see you in the next tips and tutorials video.